December 20th, 1929, Hillsboro, Texas, 26 inches of snow in 24 hours. But here's what they don't tell you. This happened 8 weeks after the stock market crash. Farmers were already broke, already scared, already entering the Great Depression. Then Central Texas disappeared under 2 feet of snow, livestock stranded, no way to reach feed, water sources frozen solid, roads impassable, temperatures near zero after days in the 60s and 70s. Hill County ranchers watched their cattle freeze, their livelihood buried. No help coming? By Christmas, the snow melted. Temps back to the 70s. Flooding hit the low country. What the freeze didn't kill, the thaw finished. The worst snowstorm in Texas history hit the worst possible moment. 8 weeks into economic collapse. And most people have never heard this part of the story. Drop your county in the comments. Follow for more Texas history they erased. Yet, in the face of adversity, Texans found ways to endure. Communities came together, supporting each other through thick and thin. Families shared what little they had. Neighbors became kin. In the toughest times, they discovered the strength in unity. This resilience is the story of Texas, the spirit that can't be broken, regardless of snow or storm. As we look to the future, we carry these lessons from the past, preserving stories not just in history books, but in the heartbeat of Texas itself.